Hello viewers, this is, I think it's a 2554 made by Avaya. I'm not entirely sure what this is, so let's take a look and see what it is. Looks perhaps has never been used. It's probably a 9-foot cord. And it is in fact a 2554. Here's the handset. I'm not going to take everything out of plastic because I don't have any use for it at the moment. I'll leave it in the packaging until I install it. It's got these square earpiece and microphone. There's the volume up and down buttons. This probably has a digital ring. I don't have any bell in there. It's got high, low, and off. And yeah, I think that's a speaker right there, so it's probably got a digital ring. Unless that's a bell, I don't think it is. It's made in China. We have the line cord. It looks like this would be able to mount to a standard wall mount relatively easily because it's just got the regular slots and then a standard cord. Let's see, 0.6 ring, so it's definitely got to be a electronic ring. Anyway, so that's cool. This is a relatively recent make, I believe. Let's see here. 06/13/2001, so it's about 17 years old. And I got this with a lot of equipment for a PBX system. So that's probably what this was purchased to be used with. So I got to figure out how to use the thing, and then maybe this will be one of the telephones that I connect with it.